Okay mga Kuya Koy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya News America, and this is for the Kuya Koy list. And yun na nga, so tumama yung mga prediction ko, no, na tipong yung pinaka gusto ko, dun sa pinaka, well, among the mababa yung ranking, and yung pinaka mababa ko will get the top rank. Again, this is for the Pinoy Big Brother collaboration. Okay mga Kuya Koy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya News America, and this is for the Kuya Koy list. So, ayan, pasok na naman tayo. And please, hindi na ako tawag nito, naka-sweater, pakainit. Alright, so katapos lang actually ng 4th of July, that was yesterday. Tahimik, no, lalo si Brent, he was very brooding, no, siyempre pangiti-ngiti, pangising-ngisi, pero hindi mo, his personality is such, no, maski dun sa pag-uusap nila ni Kuya Boy, nasabihan pa nga siya ni Kuya Boy or Boy Abunda, no, na tipong pakilakasan lang yung boses kasi he was kind of nonchalant, hindi siya, I guess, parang, I don't know kung nahihiya siya or hindi siya, kumbaga, hindi siya nai-intimidate kay Kuya Boy, kay Boy Abunda, and yung demeanor niya, sa pag-upo niya lang, no, para bang, eto ako di ba? Pero hindi naman siya nagyayabang, and yet I don't know, I don't think he's conscious enough. While the rest, no, mga Rawi, si River, nakaupo ng parang maayos, si Brent, no, again, very nonchalant, nothing. Alright? Si Mika, para bang okay pa siya, no? Ganun talaga. We have, I guess, the most unexpected winner. Kailangan pa bang sabihin nyo, napakalakas niyang mga kanilang mga supporters, lalo na sa social media, no? Well, I cannot blame yung mga kaibigan at mga kasamahan nila sa social media. Wala naman akong problema for Mika, kay Brent lang, no? Pero sabi ko nga, pang-apat ko sila. And yet, ramdam na ramdam ko na mataas ang ranking ni Brent or Breka. Dahil nga sa ano pa lang dun sa pag-nominate pa lang ni Brent, no, na lahat sila nominado, napakalahas nung kay Brent, no. So hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yon at saan pinaghuhugutan yon, no. Tell me please, paano nangyari yon, dahil again, storylines, parang there is a story there, pero hindi naipakita, na promote, na flesh out ni Brent. Although he was forthcoming naman, no, lalo na sa umpisa, sabi ko nga yung two things, he was most hated, and yet ako mismo nagtataka why he would be most hated, and at the same time yung pangyayari na sinasabi nga supposedly dayaan, no, well, nagka-technicality yun, hindi natin maano, siguro nakita niya lang, pero alam mo namang matalino itong si Brent, no. He's able to speak for himself if he wants to. That is, if he wants to. So on two issues, yun nga, no, kailangan niya i-redeem, and yet hindi na flesh out. I guess ganun talaga yung personality niya, and wala na siguro magbabago doon. Don't think even yung pagkapanalo niya sa Pinoy Big Brother together with Mika will change his personality, no. He will just be the non-assuming or unassuming person that he is. I'm sure he has like supporters sa masa, probably from the province of Pampanga. Saan ba galing si Brent? And si Mika, alam ko, Kapampangan sila So, At the same time, napakalakas nga ng mga social media ng mga influencers, no? Paldo-paldo ang pinamimigay, no? And okay? So, congratulations sa Makabreka and Brent and Mika. Again, it's let me just place it as a redemption storyline somehow, somewhere. And yes, nakuha nga nila ang pinaka-big winner na title. Now, nagulat naman ako sa kay AZ and River na pumang-apat. I predicted them to get that second place and yet hindi nga naging fourth place sila. Kay Chares, hindi ako nagulat, although sabi ko nga baka mag third or fourth place pa sila, no? But they were able to get that third place win. And then kay Rawi na I thought could be second, not second place. Na Rawi, I thought mag-fourth or even third place, nakuha nila yung second place. So, that's well and good sa kanila. It was in New Frontier, para bang ngayon New Frontier ang laging pinupuntahan ng mga big productions na ito. So, malayong malayo sa Araneta, no? Although literally katabi lang nila ang Araneta. And that yun nga ang New Frontier ang pinili nila na venue. And then maganda naman, okay naman yung parody nila. Na of course yung OA na parody, buti na lang na nalabas yun. And game na game naman so far ang Dasbia, no? Dustin and Bianca regarding yung ganun. And it was good somehow, no, na kahit paano nagkaroon ng issue na ganun at nagkaroon ng linyahan na OA from Klang herself, no? Lalo na nung nagpunta ang sila Shuvi and tawag nito si Klang as co-host. Wow, co-host. And then yung Dasbia naging hurado sa programa nila. I think that was yung bago nilang pakulo ng Showtime regarding the Muse, Breaking Muse. And yung Escort of Appeals. Okay? Alright, so ang ano ko lang is that they should create, ABS-CBN and GMA should create a follow-up. So far, overall, it is satisfying. Maganda yung mga yung konsepto, maganda yung pagkalahad, masaya. Well, regular programming or pag-usapan pa rin natin siguro yung mga housemates or ex-housemates na ni Kuya for the next few vlogs. Again, this is Kuya Mike of the Kuya Kuy List. Until next time.